All right, guys, this is Coach Sellers. I'm going to talk to you guys about eating behaviors. Um, this is something that's really big, especially during this day and time. And I know earlier in the year when the pandemic began, a lot of people probably stayed home and they decided to eat things that were not as healthy for them. So today we're going to compare weight management strategies, which includes attention to portion and serving sizes. Um, our current trend in the food industry is to provide the biggest burger, fries, or giant cookie possible. The supersized version is only a small price increase over the regular portion, which can be a more economical choice. Supersized portions can be divided into smaller portions to make the choice both economical and part of a healthier eating pattern. The 90s saw supersizing taken to great heights, and the trend doesn't seem to be diminishing, which means going away. The medium drink at one fast food restaurant is now what was called the large drink maybe even a year ago. Supersizing may now encourage overeating and not listening to cues for hunger or fullness. You can avoid the large portions completely or divide them into moderate portions that more closely reflect the serving size for that type of food or product. So, right now I'm looking to talk about supersized portions and how much things, weigh or equal to. A lot of this stuff we would normally do in class, guys. So I'm kind of having to skip down on my lesson. So, how big is big? So, here's some facts: 1 ounce is going to equal 28 grams. 1 teaspoon of fat equals 4 grams. One regular slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce and contains 70 calories. Each ounce of a soft drink contains about 1 teaspoon of sugar, which, when you really think about it, that's a ton of sugar. Um, so, looking at calories per ounce of food selected, a brownie could be 115 calories per ounce, depending on the type. A soft drink could have 13 calories per ounce. A muffin, like a blueberry, 79 calories per ounce. A bagel, 78 calories per ounce. A chocolate chip cookie, 138 calories per ounce. Just a small little cookie, and that might be a couple ounces. A biscuit, 103 calories per ounce. A sweet roll like a Cinnabon, 105 calories per ounce. Burger King French fries, a small fry, sitting at 245 calories with 13 grams of fat, which that's a pretty tremendous amount if you're holding yourself to about a 2,000 calorie diet a day. A supersize fry from Burger King is 642 calories with 34 grams of fat. Now think about if you were eating, like I'm saying, about a 2,000 calorie diet. Just the fries here equals 642 calories. That's not including the burger. That's not including what you're drinking. So after you end up eating that burger, the fries, and having a drink, and whatever else you may have in that meal, you're easily over 1,000 calories in just one meal. So you have to spread those few calories you have left out for the rest of your day. There's just a lot to think about. Also, different brands of brownies, soft drinks, muffins, bagels, biscuits, cookies, they all have different calorie contents. So think about a possibility of a healthy weight management plan for you. What's a goal you want to hit? Um, if you want to lose a couple pounds, if you just want to find a way to include more fruit into your diet and see how much calories of fruit you're putting into your body. That's just some ideas there. So think about eating patterns and which one of these sounds most like you. I eat fast foods the majority of the time. fast foods are not just sold at fast food restaurants. Red, I skip breakfast the majority of the time. Yellow, I usually either skip lunch or just grab a soda and a snack food. Blue, I switch back and forth from eating raw fruits and vegetables, diet foods, and drinking water to lose weight to eating lots of junk food and fatty foods. Now, I'm going to be honest, I probably fall right around the blue. Um, Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's really bad. And I think a lot of people fall into that. So it's just a way of finding ourselves getting into healthier habits. Instead of picking up the candy bar, pick up an apple, something that's going to have more nutritional value for you. So some helpful websites that might help you if you want to start a healthy type of eating plan are My Plate, the American Heart Association, which that also has some really cool facts about your body. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, formerly the American Dietetics Association, um, and Eat Smart, Move More, North Carolina, and American Cancer Society. So you can kind of see on those links, and I've also posted this PowerPoint in our module for this week's work. These are very good tools for you guys to use more than just getting answers for a quiz or for an assignment. So really think about doing this. Take it seriously. Our health is us. We are what we eat. We are what we put into our bodies. So normally in class, we would have group work. We're not going to discuss that. So I think overall, this should help you make more nutritional choices throughout your life to maintain a healthy weight, which will decrease your chances of disease and conditions that are linked to being overweight, like diabetes. So if you guys have any further questions, just feel free to message me. If not, I want to make sure that you study this. If you need to watch it a couple times, that's fine. And I hope you do your best on your quiz.